begins. Thousands of pounds of fresh avocados arriving daily to be processed into high-quality oil. Welcome to the beginning of the avocado oil process. These fresh avocados are brought here by the truckload before we start the cleaning phase.
Ripe avocados are first washed in massive water channels before being sorted by our automated conveyor systems. This facility processes millions of them every day.
This one is bruised.
Okay, log that as a grade 3 defect.
Rerouting to secondary processing.
After the pits are separated, the fresh green pulp is processed immediately. Our state-of-the-art facility handles.
Check the temperature on the centrifuge. It's holding steady at 20 degrees.
We need to verify the texture here, ensure the moisture levels are within the acceptable range before we clear it for extraction.
The key here is maintaining the precise temperature during malexation. It's crucial for the enzyme activity.
The audio contains speech from a man who is likely explaining or analyzing something consistent.
Like that. Pressure looks steady at 40 psi.
Good, the flow rate is optimal.
This valve controls the input pressure. If it drops too low, the mixture won't churn correctly.
avocados.
In this vast facility, thousands of gallons of avocado oil are processed daily. The
Every morning, our harvest begins its journey, arriving fresh on the shelves of a store near you.